Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to check, possibly replace the air filter, the engine air filter on a 2000 Toyota Corolla. This procedure is pretty much the same from models from 1998 to 2002. A couple basic things. So we're going to look over here, and this is your air box here. Air filter is in there. Here's the intake hose here. So we're going to loosen this clamp here. There's a clamp down there. These two clips here, 1, 2, and you want to unplug the connector to the mass airflow sensor. Allow the box to move a little bit easier. Okay, so we'll get started. Remember to always have your safety glasses on. Make sure the motor is off. Nice and cool before you start touching things. Okay, and you can see it just pops right off. So we're going to pull the filter out. Doesn't look too bad. Some dirt. But overall, looks like it's in good shape, so we'll leave it in there a little bit longer. The insulation is the reversal of removal. Again, you want to make sure it's seated properly. I'm going to fit the box over, and there's two little grooves in the back. I want to make sure that they line up and fit in so it's nice and snug. These clips go on fairly easy, so you know the box is secured. Okay, we'll tighten up our clamps. Make sure the hose is secured. You don't want to over tighten those clamps. Just want to make sure they're snug on there. That looks good. I'm going to put the wiring connector back into the mass airflow sensor. Once you hear that snap in, it's good. The throttle cable back in. Okay. That's all done. So as you can see, it's a fairly simple process. Okay, just want to make sure to check over your connections again. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe. Thank you.